This is question 6, test 7, section 3, page 769. It says, these lines intersect in a point as shown in the figure above. Which of the following pairs of angle measures is not sufficient for determining all 6 angle measures? Okay, so this is drawing upon a lot of rules. The biggest rule it's drawing upon is the vertical angle rule, which says that if you have, this is the best example, if you have 2 lines meeting an x like you have here, then these angles are congruent. So T and Z are congruent. Okay, so let's just test each of these possible answers. Okay, if you have T and Z, that's not going to do you a lot of good actually because those angles are congruent. So they're not going to help you very much because they're exactly the same. So therefore you're not getting any information about the values of S and R. So I can tell already that this is the right answer because if you're given T and Z, you're only given 2 angles in this picture, which all adds up to 360 degrees. So for example, if they told you this is 20 degrees, all it's telling you is that these 2 angles are 20 degrees. You can't figure out the values of X, Y, S, and R. So I know that A is right, but let's just take a moment to look at some of the other answers just to be sure of our logic. Okay. So answer B says T and Y. Okay, so T and Y are going to tell you a ton of information because T is going to tell you the value of Z also. Let's just pretend it's 20. And then if you have the value of angle Y, then you're also going to know the value of angle S here. And then in turn, you'll be able to figure out the value of angle X because these 3 angles will add up to 180 degrees. So T and Y are sufficient for determining all 6 angle measures. And similarly, the same is true with S and X, R and T, and R and S. So A is the right answer.